Conifers are enjoying a resurgence of popularity, and with good reason too. Now, I think the conifer's reputation has been slightly tarnished by the Leylandii, which was widely sold as fast-growing hedging. Now, without a very firm hand, that plant can be really thuggish and grow at the rate of knots. However, there are loads of beautiful conifers that are extremely well behaved, that are going to offer colour and form and structure and interest throughout the year. They're a big and diverse group of plants, and you can see from this collection that I've just pulled off the nursery how diverse they are. Some are really sort of upright in habit, and others have this lovely ball shape to them, and there's others here that are really sort of spreading and mat forming, and they're ideal for ground covers. So you can see again from this group here that they also range in colour, from steely blues to yellows to rich greens, even hints of red, and the foliage will often change colour as well throughout the year. So it often takes on these burgundy shades during the winter months, and the new foliage as well can be a different colour when it first emerges. So when it comes to choosing a conifer for your garden, you should always check the eventual height and spread. Some of these plants will only grow a matter of a centimetre or so each year, and they're perfect for really small spaces and pots. While others will give you faster growth and therefore provide a really good screen, adding height to the garden. It's also worth checking to see if your conifer requires any special conditions, but generally I would say the group as a whole are very easy to care for. However, they do prefer soils with a neutral to slightly acidic pH. Now, most of them originate from mountainous regions, so they like a sunny spot, although there are some like the taxus which will tolerate shade a little bit better. So having said all that, I think it's fairly safe to say that there's a conifer for every garden, whether it be big or small.